Good day everyone. Today we are going to do a lot of mountain climbers in 7 minutes.
Let's start with a plank pose. Now let's start with our mountain climber. Bring your right knee in and out, followed by your left knee in and out. Repeat this for 30 seconds. The speed of the movement is totally up to your own pace. You can do it faster or slower. 5 more to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now come down to your side and get ready to lift up your legs. Three, 2, 1. Now come to the plank to do another mountain climber with a twist. So your right leg point to the left hand. Left leg point to your right hand. Alternate this for 30 seconds. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's work on our inner thigh. Lie on the side, one leg put at the front and pull up your lower legs. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now change to another side for the mountain climber again. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lie down on the side and start lifting your leg up. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now come on up and start with mountain climber with a twist. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now lie on the side again with your one leg to the front and lift up your lower leg. Three, 2, 1. So we are going to redo the whole thing one more time. To your plank and start your mountain climber for 30 seconds. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get ready with your next pose. Lift up your leg. Three, two, one. Now, go back to mountain climber with a twist. 30 seconds. Three, two, one. Start inner thigh. Three, two, one. Next pose, mountain climber. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, leg lift. Three, two, one. Mountain climber with a twist. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Inner thigh. Three, two, one. I would like to tell myself I have done a good job. You too.